we've got ourselves a Disney sunset here. You know where you're going?
Hope so.
My Uber driver. We are headed to Coronado Springs Resort tonight for dinner at Toledo? Toledo?
Yes.
Wait,
Toledo. Comment below.
How do you pronounce the restaurant? I think it's Toledo. I'm not sure. Anyways, it's the restaurant at the Gran Destino Tower. And we've actually never ate there before. This will be our first time. We've been up there at the Dahlia Lounge for drinks. And we love the Three Bridges Bar and Grill at Coronado Springs, but we've never ate at Toledo. So let's go get some food.
Let's do it.
Pulling up to the Gran Destino Tower. This is where we stayed last year, actually. For our 2020 Christmas trip, we stayed a few nights here.
We have a dining reservation
at the Gran Destino Tower.
Yep.
I actually love this resort.
Yeah, it's really nice. Especially
so nice.
For, they consider it a moderate. It's really nice.
Oh yeah, it's definitely, it's more of a deluxe feel for sure.
Yeah.
I will link our room tour from last year, actually.
Yeah.
I'll link that one. Do you remember?
Huge over here.
I know. Do you remember those like pretty bells?
Yeah.
I love
Those
this
things are huge.
decor. So pretty.
This hotel does a great job decorating for Christmas.
I know. Remember, and they had it was red and green too.
Yep.
The lights changed.
That was
Oh.
great.
They're red and green again.
That was during COVID too. I wonder if they've got like even more.
Put your mask on, mister.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Okay, actually we're kind of running late.
uh-oh.
Oh, it smells so good. Oh, there's that pretty tree. Okay, we're running late and so I'm chasing Corey. But after dinner, I'm gonna try to get more video of the lobby because it's really pretty. And these are the fancy elevators.
They are.
Did you pick?
Mm-hmm.
We are going to Toledo 16. Hidden Mickey. Going to the 16th floor.
Yep. There we go. It'll be a cool view from up here.
I know, it'll be a gorgeous view.
I'll check it out there.
Okay. So, this is where we're going for dinner. This is the Dahlia Lounge. Oh my gosh, I actually love the views from this area. I'll see if I can sneak a view. Oh my god. Ooh, there's Tower of Terror. Okay, I went and snagged Corey because I want you to see this in the daytime.
Wow, look at this.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Okay, so there's this. Oh, I actually see the Epcot ball. Spaceship Earth. So there's Spaceship Earth. There's Swan and Dolphin. Swan Reserve. I went there recently. There's the Hollywood Tower Hotel. There's Galaxy's Edge. And that's where, like for Hollywood Studios, when they shoot the fireworks off. And I've been up here to see those fireworks go off before. There's Blizzard Beach. I see Expedition Everest over there. And look at, they have this nice seating. They have nice seating out here. So if you do the Dahlia Lounge, you can actually come out here and you know, enjoy your drinks. It's really, really cool out here. What do you think?
Gorgeous. Yeah, it's really cool.
It's fun. Well, shall we?
Let's do it. Let's go eat.
Dahlia Lounge is really nice.
Ready.
Oh, perfect. We're ready to go.
Really cool.
So pretty. Oh my gosh, the colors. Oh,
Wow.
and you get the view from this restaurant too.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Well,
They saw Caitlin and wanted to sit us in the back.
that's mean.
Well, they were like, hey, this girl's trouble.
Oh my gosh. Why? Because I have a camera?
I guess so.
Well, I am a tiny bit bummed because we just walked through like where the pretty lights were and like the pretty like views, and we got put in this like back room. Like there's literally like nobody else in here. Just us.
They're seeing people.
I guess it's a private dining experience.
That's it,
but
yeah.
we do have a window. We do have a window, and I can see the Tower of Terror right there. I can actually see, well, okay. Yeah, I can see Spaceship Earth, but that's all right. Let's just hope the food's good. Just put in our order. We did like a bruschetta type appetizer because this is like a Spanish menu. So it's kind of like bruschetta with a Spanish twist. And then Corey ordered the hanger steak, and I ordered the braised chicken. And we got a side of Brussels sprouts, so I'm hungry.
Cool, we're both really hungry.
All right, I'm leaving you. So our waiter told us that there's an open kitchen, so I wanted to just kind of come check out the open kitchen. Thank you. Wow, this is cool. Oh, that's probably ours. Oh my gosh, that's probably ours. This is super cool. Wow. So they're just making all the food. Just putting something in the wood oven, wood stone. This is really cool. Yeah, they told us like to feel free to go up and check it out. So, oh, that looks good. Those charcuterie boards. That looks amazing. I'm glad I came and checked it out. This is really neat. They're working hard. They're making yummy foods. I hope that's ours. I'm hungry. I think I saw our
food.
Our tomato bruschetta thing.
And
It looks good. It looks really good.
we'll see.
It's neat though. Go check it out.
Huh?
Go check it out. It's cool.
Look.
I was right. This was what was
Hand-cone
sitting.
Tomate.
Sure.
Crushed tomato, garlic, olive oil, and charred bread. Looks good.
It does. That's definitely shareable. And I was right. I saw that sitting under the warmer, and I was like, I think that's ours.
This looks good.
Was it good? Just got you biting.
Very good.
Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
So it's getting darker outside. Let's see if I can get close to this window. And that's Galaxy's Edge, and it's getting more lit up. And then that's Tower of Terror. It's hard to see with the reflection, but here in a few minutes they should be doing the Beacon of Light, or the Beacon of Magic, I mean. Okay, so Corey just checked the app, and Beacon of Magic goes off at 6:30, so that's here in like 25 minutes. So
Soon.
yeah, maybe we'll still be here and we'll get to see the Beacon of Magic on Tower of Terror. That'd be cool. All right, there it goes. It's so hard to see. It's like dark, and I'm trying to zoom in.
The camera's not really doing it justice either.
No. We can kind of see the Beacon of Magic. The camera, it's like the reflection, and it's too dark and grainy. But it's going on. It's happening.
Yeah.
Okay, food arrived. So I have the chicken, and it looks like there's some like chips and rice, and actually grapes, which is interesting. we got a side of the Brussels sprouts. Those look so good.
They do look really good.
If you're a Brussels sprout fan, I feel like you either are or you aren't, you know?
Right. Then I got the hanger steak, and it comes with kind of like a house-made salsa on the side, a little dipping sauce, so should be good. So, what'd you think of it?
Okay. Those Brussels sprouts were the best Brussels sprouts I've ever had in my entire life.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
I do agree. Those were really good.
The best
Yeah.
I've ever had. I mean, okay. We like literally licked the bowl because, okay, we didn't really, but our waiter recommended the Brussels sprouts and we were like, okay, sure, we'll try them. So good. And okay, so we asked like what the secret ingredient is or whatever. He said they're like obviously
They use a vinegar.
chard and everything, and then vinegar and agave nectar. Sounds kind of a crazy combo. And then my food was really good with more like strong flavors too. I had the rice, I had the chicken, like these potato crisps, and then the weird thing is like grapes. Okay, well my plate's kind of messy, but
The grape.
a grape, right?
Yeah.
Which I was like kind of thrown off by that. I was like, grapes? But then I tried it and it was a pickled grape. So they're good flavors.
Yeah.
My steak was good. It was probably a little undercooked than what I like it to be, but otherwise the potatoes and peppers it had on the plate too were really good. But the Brussels sprouts were the best.
Oh my gosh. We could have easily taken down another bowl.
Definitely. Definitely.
All right, we're walking out. This is the main dining area that we did not get to sit in. But that's okay, next time. Bye! We are back in the lobby. Do you hear the music?
Yeah.
It's like Spanish style Christmas music.
Just loud.
Oh, do you remember though there was a tree right here? Do you remember last year?
Yeah. Yeah.
There was a tree right there. That's
Well,
weird.
Look at that. That one's a big tree.
Well, I know, I remember that tree, but when we stayed here last year, right when you walked in, there was a tree right here. That's interesting. There's no tree there, but that one is gorgeous. Like, let me zoom in on that one because it's so pretty.
Yeah, it is pretty.
I love that tree. We had a good dinner at Toledo. We definitely go back. Honestly,
Yeah,
I
food
think
was
I'm
good.
going to be dreaming about those Brussels sprouts.
Those are the highlight.
Those were the highlight. But now we're off to the Christmas after hours at Magic Kingdom, so stay tuned for that vlog. We're excited for some Christmas fun. But thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.